Hi all, good morning from here. I have a quick unboxing for you today, and obviously it's from Chanel. It came yesterday and the flower here is falling apart already. I don't know what happened. I got it from my personal shopper, and let's begin. Now looks like this. I know some PS that I know won't bother to bring back all the paper wrapping. They threw them away. I just got the ribbon and the important thing, the booklet, the cloth, and this is the copy receipt. The real receipt is already used for tax refund. It was bought from Europe. So here is the cloth and the little booklet, and this is the big booklet with my proof of purchase. It was bought in August 2nd. That is that. And now here is the goodie. As you can see, it's a classic bag from the dust bag, the white dust bag. So here is my new Chanel 19B in medium, in caviar with light gold hardware. On camera it looks a bit orangey. I already closed the window, but still too bright in here. But in real life it's like the real red color. I got this as soon as I saw Emilia's handbag reveal her 19B in small and silver hardware. I just contact my PS right away, and luckily at the time my PS was about to go to Europe. I want the silver hardware, but this is all she could find at the time she was in Europe. So okay, I'm okay with the light gold hardware. It's also very pretty. And I also watched the Aimee Jo red comparison, the Chanel red color. I will link all the video down below. So I decided to go with it because I've been looking for the perfect red for a classic flap Chanel, and I think I found one. This is it, and I have to say again, guys, it looks more orangey in picture, but in real life it is more of a deep red color. Not that deep, but like true red in my opinion. So let's open it. Still with the plastic seal. Let's take it off. And this blue here too. Okay, the plastic already taken off, and here is the inside. It's all in leather and it's all in red. The back pocket, and this useless compartment here that I never use, and it is made in France. Here is the authenticity card. It's from 28 series. It's the latest Chanel series, 28. And that's all guys for my quick unboxing today. I'm trying to capture the color of this bag on my camera, but looks like it's still not bright enough on my camera. Maybe because outside it's very bright. It's like 7:40 in the morning now. It is the 19B red. The red is true red in my opinion. The caviar leather is like shiny caviar, which is very pretty, and on some lighting it almost looks like it's iridescent, but I don't think it is the iridescent caviar. And on some lighting the hardware looks like silver, but it's light gold. I will try to insert picture from my PS when she was at the boutique and send me pics to confirm that this one is the right bag that I was looking for. And on the tag there was the 19B. Too bad we cannot get the tag, but anyway, that's all guys. Thank you for your time and hope to see you again soon.